Hello everyone. In this video, we discussed about the example based on transfer function. Here, the one example is given. Find the transfer function of given physical system. Here, one system is given in which R and C is connected, and input is Vi of t and output is V0 of t. The current flowing through the circuit is I of t. Now, the transfer function definition we already discussed in prior video. It is ratio of Laplace of output to Laplace of input. Assumption initial condition is 0. Now, first of all, we are applying KVL here. Then we can write here for this loop, we can write input Vi of t is equal to voltage drop across this resistor R into I of t plus the voltage across this capacitor is given by 1 upon C integration of I of t into dt. That is equation for this loop. Now, for this loop, we can write V0 of t. I am pronouncing here 0 for the output voltage. V0 of t is equal to voltage across this capacitor is given by 1 upon C integration of I of t into dt. Now, we already discussed the definition of Laplace transform, so that is our first equation and that is our second equation. Apply Laplace transform to equation number 1 and 2. Then we can write the Laplace of Vi of t is given by Vi of s. T is converted to s, and here R into I of s plus here integration is given, so that we can write the Laplace of this term is 1 upon C s I of s. That is our equation number 3. Now, from second equation we can write V0 of s is equal to 1 upon Cs I of s. That is equation number 4. Now, according to our transfer function definition, we can write transfer function V0 of s upon Vi of s. That is given transfer function for this circuit. Now, put this value. V0 of s is 1 upon Cs I of s upon V I of s is given by R I of s plus 1 upon C of s Cs into I of s. Now, in numerator and denominator, I of s term is common, so that here I of s is common, 1 upon Cs upon I of s is common, and R plus 1 upon Cs. I of s term is cancelled, and now take LCM. 1 upon Cs upon, take LCM in denominator, then we can write RCS plus 1 upon Cs. Denominator term is cancelled, 1 upon Cs is cancelled, so that we can write 1 upon RCS plus 1. That is the transfer function of this system, so that we can write here the transfer function is 1 upon RCS plus 1, and input is Vi of s and output is V0 of s. Thank you.